What's good, guys? Welcome back to Ron's Rides. Welcome back to the channel and welcome back to another video where, yes, this new Novitec Ferrari SF90 Spider is actually quicker than a LaFerrari. Now, it may not seem too crazy when you look at it at first, but compared to the stock one, you do have some upgrades that we need to talk about. Now, Novitec is obviously known for their high performance modifications, which comprise special maps for the electronic management system of the twin turbo 4-liter V8 engine in this SF90 Stradale. Now, there's a new exhausting system as well with optional 999 gold plating to dissipate heat more efficiently, and the result is really breathtaking. The total output is rated at 1109 PS. Yes, 1109 PS, which is 1093 horsepower, 816 kilowatts. That actually makes it a little bit more powerful than the original Bugatti Veyron. And let's talk about the 0 to 62 or 0 to 100 kilometers sprint. It only needs 2.4 seconds, half a second faster than the mighty LaFerrari Hypercar. It can hit 200 kilometers or 124 miles per hour in 6.5 seconds after takeoff, and it tops out at over 211 miles per hour, 340 kilometers. Now, the plug-in hybrid powertrain of the Ferrari SF90 Spider develops a total of 1000 PS, 986 horsepower, 736 kilowatts without anyone doing any kind of tuning to it. And its stock time from 0 to 100 kilometers or 0 to 62 is 2.5 seconds. And then your 0 to 200 kilometers or 124 miles per hour is at 7 seconds. The top speed is also rated at 340 kilometers, 211 miles per hour. And its performance is even more impressive when factoring the extra 100 kilograms, 220 pounds due to the necessary chassis reinforcements and roof mechanism over the SF90 Stradale. Now, developed in the wind tunnel to optimize the aerodynamics and made of naked carbon fiber, the exterior add-ons are another highlight of this project. It has a new spoiler, carbon fiber flaps, ducktail spoiler, diffuser, rocker panels, and other stuff to set it apart from the stock supercar. You also get new tailpipes, lower ground clearance, and wheels, with the latter being 9.5 by 21 inches at the front and 12 by 21 inches at the rear. And the shod and 255/30 and 325/25 tires respectively, and those round off the makeover. Now, as an option, Novitec can transform the interior as well with a variety of leather and Alcantara and numerous shades. Really, the options are unlimited. But with that said, it's a small increase, but the increase that gives it bragging rights of being quicker than a LaFerrari. What do you guys think about Novitec's Ferrari SF90 Spider and how quick it is? Is that something that you guys are respecting? Or would you respect it more if Ferrari made this that fast stock? Let me know down in the comments below. Now, if you guys did enjoy the video today, make sure you give it a big thumbs up. Giving the video a like will help get it up in the rankings. More people can see it. And we can have a bigger discussion on the new Ferrari SF90 Spider being quicker, just barely, than the LaFerrari Hypercar. Now, with that said, if you guys want to help further support the channel and enjoy what I do here, make sure you check the links down in the description below, where I have a one-time link donation for my PayPal, my Cash App, my Venmo, and my Patreon, just in case you guys want to donate an extra $1 or $2 to the channel. I appreciate that extra love and support, guys. Thank you so much. Now, you guys can also check out the Ron's Rides merch, just in case you guys want to get t-shirts, stickers, tank tops, hoodies, everything Ron's Rides is there. And I'm also on TikTok, Facebook, Instagram, Snapchat, Twitter. See everything I'm posting, Ferrari, Maserati, Alfa Romeo, and Fiat, that doesn't always make it here to the channel. Now, make sure you guys subscribe to the channel, but click that notification bell so you don't miss one video. And with that said, you guys be blessed, have a great day, and we will talk to you guys in the next Ron's Rides video. Peace.